Welcome to our journey through time and space. Today we're diving into the incredible story of how Earth came to be, exploring the origins of our planet and the forces that shaped it. Let's start our story about the creation of Earth, a process that began over 4.5 billion years ago. Around 4.6 billion years ago, our solar system was born from a massive cloud of gas and dust, known as the solar nebula. Gravity caused this nebula to collapse, forming a spinning disk of material. Most of this material gathered at the center to become the sun. The leftover material began to stick together, forming clumps. These clumps collided and merged, eventually forming the planetesimals that would become Earth. In the early days, Earth was a molten mass, its surface covered with lava and volcanic activity. This period is known as the Hadean Eon. One of the most dramatic events in Earth's early history was the giant impact hypothesis. A Mars-sized body collided with the young Earth, leading to the formation of the Moon. Over time, Earth's surface began to cool and solidify, forming a thin crust. This process set the stage for the formation of oceans and the early atmosphere. At around 3.8 billion years ago, the first signs of life appeared in the oceans. These early organisms were simple, single-celled creatures. Over hundreds of millions of years, these simple life forms evolved into more complex organisms. This process led to the explosion of diversity in life, known as the Cambrian explosion. The movement of tectonic plates caused the landmasses to shift and collide, eventually forming the supercontinent Pangaea around 335 million years ago. Over the next 200 million years, Pangaea began to break apart, leading to the arrangement of continents we see today. Earth's atmosphere has also undergone dramatic changes. Initially, it was thick with gases like carbon dioxide and methane. But over time, photosynthetic organisms began producing oxygen, transforming the atmosphere. The increase in oxygen led to the formation of the ozone layer, which protected the surface from harmful solar radiation and allowed more complex life forms to thrive. Fast forward to the last few million years, and we see the rise of Homo sapiens. Early humans developed agriculture, built civilizations, and began shaping the planet in unprecedented ways. From the first tools to advanced technology, humanity has made significant strides in understanding and transforming our world. As we look to the future, it's crucial to remember our planet's long and dynamic history. Our actions today will shape the future of Earth for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through time. We hope you enjoyed exploring the origins of our planet as much as we did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating content about our universe. See you next time.